but just kind of give you a rundown of what to do when you run into a situation. Right now I've got the machine set up. If it won't pull any vacuum or push any new fluid, we've got the instructions with the machine with laminated sheets that shows you basically how to hook up the way I've got it hooked up right now. So basically what you're going to be doing, hook air up to the machine, which is back here on this back corner, air back here to your nipple, hook to 12 volts, and then you would turn the machine on for your air, your vacuum on, pump on, turn your ball valves to whatever color new fluid tank you got the most antifreeze in, open up your ball valves here, and basically what's happening is now you're flushing any debris that might be held up in the pump on the machine. You're flushing that debris out of the pumps into this filter right here. This filter, when you get your flow going back in good and everything, this filter just unscrews from here. You take it over the sink and wash your screen out and put that back on. And that will get this machine back up and going. Just a little bit of a brief thing here. If you don't know what this hose is, this is for if you put chemicals in your vehicle to condition your cooling system or clean it. Basically what this would do, you'd be hooked up to your car. This hose end would be hooked to your radiator, and then your step adapter would be in the stock radiator hose. So all this is just a jumper hose to go between your quick disconnects so that when your car gets up to running temperature and you have your chemical in here, it will bypass through this tube. So the only thing that you're messing with that's hot is just these couplers right here. The gloves that come with the machine are Kevlar style gloves. They will isolate some heat. So we send these with the machines just to help you guys out.